Taking a look at NVIDIA stock here, we are bouncing off of our major support here of 117.72. Now, if we do break down below 117.72, let's go ahead and go onto the hourly chart here, just so we can see the potential lower Bollinger Band here. The lower Bollinger Band is going to be at 115.50. So if we do break down below 117.72, I am personally expecting to see 115.50, just an approximate level here, to hold as support. I think we're going to see a lot more buying pressure here as well for NVIDIA stock before we see this recovery back up towards 132. So if I estimate the downside move, right, to 117 is going to be about a 1 or 2% drop. And I think the most bearish case scenario is only really now going to be about a 3 to 4% drop towards the downside. There is way more upside right now, in my opinion, than downside for NVIDIA stock. What I would keep an eye out for personally is first this test towards our recent high here overnight, or pre-market if you would say. It's going to be about at 124.50. That is a 4% move towards the top side. Now again, this is just my personal opinion. After we test 124.50, I would then, throughout this week, I would keep an eye out for a recovery towards 132. 132 there is going to be about a 10% move towards the upside, all right? Now let's go ahead and take a look at the next major resistance, all right? This is going into the remaining of March and April of 2025. I would actually keep an eye out for NVIDIA testing towards 142 resistance. All right, so from current prices, that's going to be about an 18% move. And during this week, I am expecting an 11% move towards the top side. So this week, watch for 132. Sometime March, April, watch for 142. And then before June, possibly, this is just a prediction here, watch for the all-time high to be tested. All right, so before June, watch for that move, 28% towards the upside, towards 153 from current prices. That's just my personal prediction for the stair step back up. Obviously, this could take longer, or it could be a lot shorter, in my opinion. And you can see, obviously, in this video, I am leaning towards the top side more than I am towards the bottom side. I'll color this in red so you can see the downside move for NVIDIA stock here in the short term. I don't think NVIDIA is going to break down below 100. 104 here, I'm pretty sure, is the bottom. And if anything, there's a possibility we might even test 110 again. But if anything, I'm dollar cost averaging into NVIDIA stock, looking to hold this long term for that reversal back up towards the all-time high. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you're short term or long term on NVIDIA, are you bullish or bearish? For those that are long term on NVIDIA stock, I highly recommend joining the Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join. There's over 32,000 members. And if you are looking for live entries and exits, we do have a Patreon link down below in the description. A lot of analysts sharing stock and options alerts. For stock alerts, it's $10 a month. For options, it's going to be $20 per month. If you do join the options alert one, it does come with all these stock alerts as well, all right? So $20 per month for stocks and options, $10 per month for just stocks, all right? Thanks, guys, for watching. We'll see you in the next video for NVIDIA stock.